Hi, this video will demonstrate how to divide a rational expression. Notice that I have my division sign here in the middle. Whenever we're faced with the division of a rational expression, the first thing we want to do is turn it into a multiplication problem. Remember, whenever I divide by a rational expression, I can turn it into a multiplication problem by simply multiplying by the reciprocal. So what I'm going to do now is my first term stays exactly the same, but instead of dividing, I'm multiplying, and now I have to take the reciprocal of the second term. Remember, when we take a reciprocal, the top moves to the bottom, and the bottom moves to the top. So now, instead of dividing, I'm going to multiply by x squared minus 2x plus 1 in the numerator, and 2x cubed in the denominator. Now, once again, I've got a multiplication problem, so I can jump in and see what I can actually factor. Here I have x squared minus 1. Notice that this is a perfect square and this is a perfect square, and then I have a subtraction sign in the middle. That implies that I can apply what we call Mr. Formula. That means that this turns into x minus 1, x plus 1. All right. Now, up here, I'm looking for paired multiples of 1 that sum to negative 2. They are x minus 1 and x minus 1. Why? Because a minus 1 times a minus 1 yields a positive 1, and negative 1 plus negative 1 yields a negative 2. Now, I can rewrite this. I have 4x to the 4th over x minus 1, x plus 1, and I'm multiplying that by x minus 1, x minus 1 in my numerator, and 2x cubed in my denominator. Now, whenever I'm doing a multiplication of a rational expression, the easiest thing to do is cancel out anything I can. Here I see a x minus 1 in the denominator, and I have a x minus 1 in the numerator. They cancel out. Leave me 1. Here I have an x plus 1 and an x minus 1. I can't do anything with that because they differ by the sign in the middle. But what I can do is here I have a 2. 2 goes into 2 once. And here I have a 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. So they cancel and leave me a 2. And now I have x cubed, all right, and x to the 4th. So those cancel out and just leave me an x in the numerator. So now my product is whatever I'm left with. I have a 2 and an x in the numerator. And in the denominator, I'm left with x plus 1. However, I left something off of the numerator. I have a 2, an x, and an x minus 1. So I need to put that in to be correct. Okay. So my numerator is 2x times x minus 1, and my denominator is x plus 1. And that is an example of a division of a rational expression. Remember, whenever we're going to divide them, we simply turn it into a multiplication problem by multiplying by the reciprocal.